When I was a kid, my dad used to make me pasta. When I was 4, I think. He lived in China, and my mom and we lived in India. Okay, so he made me pasta which I loved, and I'm trying to recreate that now. We have our pasta. And now we're gonna put it in there. Okay, so our pasta is almost done. I'm gonna take it off the flame, and I'll strain it down. Just see real quick if it's done right. Just perfect. Just perfect. For me, like I like to have it a bit cooler, at a cooler temperature, because otherwise it just tastes bad and makes the sauce way too sour for me. And I don't like that. It kills the taste of the sauce, and yeah, it's quite annoying. So I'm gonna strain it down, put it in my bowl, and we'll add the sauce. For me, I like to put some olive oil on it. Well, I'm using Bertolli extra light tasting olive oil. Really expensive, but yeah, who cares? Just a small drizzle of oil. You can see it right there. The shinier part. So, yeah, now I'm gonna add my pasta in. That looks rather substantial. So now I added the sauce. And I used the one that was already open because why waste? It looks like it needs a bit more. And I like to add some black pepper, so I'm gonna use my grinder for that real quick. And now I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. Not too much, because I mean it's already quite salty considering that it's vinaigrette. But yeah. And Italian seasoning also has quite a lot of salt. And now for a last and final spice, a little bit of chili flake. Now to try some. It feels like I'm 4 years old again. Okay, now don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Bell notifications, do what you want now. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so if this video gets 20 likes, please help it get 20 likes. It's a big milestone for me, even if it gets 15. I will do a Taco Bell challenge where I eat one of everything from the menu. Okay? So if you want to see that video, get people to share this and like this video.